Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous two sessions, we have done the introduction of chapter number 14, that is geometry. So various terms that I have already discussed with you all. Okay, the various polygons, what are the polygons, what are the various so starting with the what is line, then line segment, then curves, simple closed curves, open curve, polygons, triangle, square, quadrilateral, and different terms related to the circle. All these things we have already done in our previous two sessions. So if you are having any two confusion, so you can ask me in the online class. Otherwise, you can rewatch the session or you can rewatch the last two videos and all the doubts will be clear. Okay, but still if you are having doubt, then I'll be there with you during your online classes and you can ask me. So now today we are going to start with the next exercise, that is first exercise of chapter number 14, that is exercise 14.1. So now we are going to start with the exercise 14.1. This is the first exercise of our chapter number 14 that we are going to start today. Okay, exercises 14.1. So let's begin with the first one. So in the exercise 14.1, in the first sum you can see several figures are given in your book. आपकी बुक में फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड और फोर्थ सम में बहुत सारी फिगर्स दी हुई हैं. Now you, by following the question, you have to find the solution or you have to give the answers. ठीक है, तब सॉल्यूशन जो आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है इन चारों सम में, फर्स्ट फोर सम्स में, तो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपको अपना आंसर है जो बताना है. स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट वन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व्स. ओके, सो देयर आर सर्टेन फिगर्स गिवन फ्रॉम ए टू आई, ए से आई तक आपके पास बहुत सारी फिगर्स दी हुई है फर्स्ट सम में, और आपको बताना है इसमें से कौन कौन सी फिगर्स हैं जो सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व है. सो दे आर द सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व. द क्वेश्चन इज क्लोज्ड. Okay, so let's begin with it. The first one, okay, so देखिए first figure is the closed figure. A is the closed figure, yes. So the answer of the first is A, जिसकी figure ऐसे बनी हुई है. But I will just try to make it. Okay, so I'll just make the correct one only. So this is a simple closed figure that is given at option number A. Then is B is the closed figure? Yes, it is also when. So that B is also the correct answer of the first question. That is like this. So B figure is given like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is made with the 4 line segments. Then C. क्या C simple closed figure है? Yes, C is also a simple closed figure which is made like this. It is a triangle. तो ये simple एक triangle बना हुआ है. So C is also a simple closed figure. क्या E is a simple closed figure? No, E is not at all a simple closed figure. E एक simple closed figure नहीं है. F, yes, F भी देखिए closed figure है, तो F is also a simple closed figure. मैं यहाँ पे जो correct है only that I am drawing here. So F figure is like this. F is also a simple closed figure. नेक्स्ट G, क्या वो सिंपल क्लोज फिगर है? नो, इट इज नॉट. H, नो. I, नो. So these are not at all the simple closed figure. Okay, so these are the answers of the first one, that is A, B, C and F. They all are the simple closed figure given in your book at question number 1 of exercise 14.1. Okay, now let's move the question number 2, that is which of the following are polygons. तो देखिए again we have given near about 10 figures are given in question number 2 and you have to find out the which of them are the polygons. तो आपको बताना है इसमें से कौन है जो polygon है. Okay, so in the question number 2, so several figures, near about 10 figures are given and you have to answer the polygons. तो इसमें से कौन कौन से figures हैं that they are the polygons. So again I'm just going to draw the correct one only. So let me erase it. So the second one is in the second question we have to find out the polygons, the figures which are the polygons. A is a polygon, no, it's a semicircle or it is not a polygon. B is a polygon, no. C, yes, it is a polygon because it's a rectangle. So second question में C is a polygon whose figure is like this. It's a rectangle is given. So rectangle is a polygon. Then D is also a polygon. It is also drawn with the help of 4 closed figure drawn with the help of 4 line segments. Okay. Okay, D is also a closed figure. Next, E. E is a polygon? Yes. E is also a polygon which is drawn with the help of 4 line segments like this, this, this and this. Okay. E is also a polygon. Simple closed figure made with the help of line segment is called polygon. आपको याद होगा कल जो सेशन था उसमें मैंने आपको polygon की एग्जाम्पल दिया. Simple closed figure drawn with the help of line segments is known as polygon. Now F, क्या F एक polygon है? No. G, yes, G is definitely a polygon that is drawn like this. This is the figure of the sixth one, the G one. Now H. Is H a polygon? Yes, H is also a polygon. It is also drawn with the help of various 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 line segments की help से बना है. So it is also a polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6. Okay. So this is G, E and H is also polygon. The last is I. I is a polygon? No. So I polygon नहीं है. So the answer of the second one is C, D, E, G and H. So these all are the correct figures that are showing that they are the polygons. So ये जो जितनी figures यहाँ दी हुई हैं, they are showing that they are the polygons. Okay. Now next one is which of the following polygons are triangles. So नीचे जो कुछ figures दी हुई हैं third question में again. So now you have to tell कि इसमें से जो दी हुई हैं figures दी हैं इसमें से कौन सी figures है that they are the triangles. वो क्या है? Triangles. They are the triangles. Okay. So let's find out the triangles in the question number 3. Okay, I'll just do it one more time. ऊपर लिखा हुआ clear नजर आता है, so I will just write at the top. Okay, now moving to question number 3 of exercise 14.1. The question number 3 is that we have to find that question number 3 में हमें क्या ढूंढना है? We have to find that which of the following given figures are the triangles. A is a triangle. No, it has 4 line segment. B, yes, it is a polygon. It is a triangle. That is the B one. Third ka B. The figure is like this: 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so B is a triangle. C is a triangle. No, क्योंकि इसमें 4 line segments हैं. D, yes, D is also a triangle. Okay. So D is also a triangle. So we will correct it. Now last is the E. E has 5 line segments. A triangle की कितने line segments होती हैं? Only 3. Okay. A closed figure drawn with the help of 3 line segments is known as triangle. Closed figure drawn with the help of 3 line segments is known as triangle. So this is the answer of the third one. The answer is the B and the D only. B और D है वही आपका correct answer. Okay. Now let's now the fourth question is विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पॉलीगन्स आर द क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स। तो आपको बताना है कि नीचे कुछ फिगर्स दी गई हैं, उसमें से जो पॉलीगन्स दिए हैं विच आर द क्वाड्रिलेटर, इसमें से कौन से क्वाड्रिलेटर है। जैसे कि हमने इसमें बताया विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द ट्राइंगल्स, इन दिस यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स आर द quadrilateral. So this question number 4 you are going to do by yourself only. ठीक है, तो question number 4 बेटा आप खुद करेंगे and you can easily find the answer. ठीक है, but if you will be having any doubt that I'll clear in the online session. Okay, but just make sure this question number 4 you are going to do by yourself only. चलिए let's move to question number 5. Okay, let's move to question number 5. Okay, the question number 5 is, in the figure ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD. Which other name can you give to this quadrilateral? Okay. So देखिए in the question number 5, यहाँ पे question number 5 में एक figure दी हुई है. Okay, like this. The question number 5, this figure is already given. This is a figure that is given in your book. तो थोड़ी सी clear हो गई है. Let me just draw it again. This is the figure that is given in your book and the name is also given, that is A, B, C and D. ये क्वाड्रिलेटर आपकी बुक में दिया हुआ. The name of this figure is A, B, C, D. It is a quadrilater. You can say it is a rectangle as well. ठीक है, but it is not a square. Quadrilateral के parts होते हैं बेटा, rectangle और square. Rectangle and square are the parts of quadrilater, but here it is, we can say it's a rectangle भी कह सकते हैं and it is a quadrilater, but in the book it is given as the quadrilateral. So ABCD is a figure, is a quadrilater. ये क्या है? quadrilater in which AB is equal to CD. जो ये AB है it is equal to CD, तो जो AB is equal to CD, yes, ये दोनों लाइन्स आपस में इक्वल है, बिल्कुल इक्वल है, yes they are equal. And BC is equal to AD. BC, ये line is equal to AD. Yes, these are also equal. So these two lines are equal and ये दोनों equal है. So that means two opposite sides हैं वो equal है. So AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Okay, तो इसमें ऊपर जो opposite sides हैं they are equal. ये चारों आपस में equal नहीं है. So two opposite sides of the given figure they are equal, like AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Okay, now what other name can you give to this quadrilateral? तो आपको इस quadrilateral को कोई और नाम देना हो तो आप क्या देंगे? देखिए अभी मैंने आपको क्या बताया, इसकी जो दोनों ऑपोजिट साइड्स हैं दे आर इक्वल. सो ऑपोजिट साइड्स और किस फिगर की इक्वल होती हैं? स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल. ऑब्वियसली rectangle. So a rectangle has four sides and the two opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. तो एक rectangle की जो दो opposite sides होती है वो हमेशा क्या होती है? Equal. So here they are telling us that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, इसकी दोनों opposite sides, that is AB is equal to DC and BC is equal to AD. So all two opposite sides of this quadrilateral is equal. So what other name can you give to this quadrilateral? You can name it as a rectangle as well. तो लिखो we can the other name we can name it as rectangle as also. Okay, लिखो question है what other name can you give to this quadrilateral? We can name it as rectangle also. ये आपका आप लिख सकते हैं, ये simply आप rectangle लिख लीजिए. Okay, so हम लिखेंगे पूरी लाइन we can name it as rectangle. We can name it as rectangle, because rectangle की जो two opposite sides होती हैं they are always equal. So two opposite sides of a rectangle is always equal. So you can name it as rectangle as well. तो आप इसको rectangle भी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, so this was question number 5. Okay class. Now let's move to the question. अब आपको सिंपल इसमें एक और बता दूं कि क्वाड्रिलेटर के अलावा आप इसको और क्या नाम दे सकते हैं. और इन्होंने हमें क्या क्लूज दिए थे कि जिसके दोनों AB और BC एंड AD ये जो टू ऑपोजिट साइड्स है ये दूसरे के इक्वल है. एंड अ रेक्टेंगल, एक रेक्टेंगुलर फिगर में दे द ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. ऑल साइड्स किस में इक्वल होती है? स्क्वायर में. एंड इन रेक्टेंगल the two opposite sides are equal, so that's why we have given it as name as a rectangle. Okay, so let's move to question number 6. That is question number 6. Let's do question number 6. So question number 6 is, in the figure PQRS is a rectangle. Name opposite sides, opposite vertices and diagonals. So देखिए, again in question number 4 आपके पास एक rectangle बना हुआ है and the name of the rectangle is PQRS. So in this also here you can see a rectangle and the name of the rectangle is PQR and S. Okay, so जो आपके पास ये rectangle बना है in question number 6, okay, the name is PQRS. This is the name of the rectangle. Now आपको करना क्या है? What you have to do is you have to name the two opposite sides, two vertices and diagonals. तो इसमें देखिए ये rectangle बना है, इसके अंदर ये दो diagonals भी बने हुए. So these are the two diagonals. Diagonals क्या होते हैं? जो two opposite vertices होते हैं उनके points को meet करते जो line होती है that is known as diagonal. तो बेटा आपको ये figures draw करनी है अपनी copy में. Just make sure that all of you must draw this in your notebook, but you have to draw with the help of scale. I am not using the scale on the board, but you have to make this figure with the help of scale only. ठीक है? I'm just making it freehand, but you have to use the scale. Okay? So these are the two diagonals. So now अब आपके पास 3 questions उन्होंने अलग अलग पूछे हैं that you have to answer. The first A question is that we have to mention the opposite sides. Opposite sides of this given rectangle. जो हमारे पास ये rectangle दिया है, we have to mention the opposite sides of this given rectangle. तो हमारे इस given rectangle की opposite sides बतानी है. Okay, जैसे कि हमने last question number 5 में क्या था? Opposite sides means the two sides that are opposite to each other. Okay, just like PS and QR. PS is opposite to QR. ये opposite sides हैं, ये दो opposite sides हैं. So that means PS and QR. एक तो ये है और दूसरे के opposite that is PS and QR. और इसके अलावा और कौन कौन से sides opposite हैं? That is PQ and RS. PQ and RS, these are also the opposite sides. Okay, so एक तो हो गई. Okay, in spite of writing it here, I will write it down. एक तो हो गई PS and QR. Second PQ and RS. These are also the opposite sides, so you will write PQ and RS. So these are also the opposite sides of this given rectangle. Okay? So ये अभी हमसे पूछे तो opposite sides कौन कौन से? PS and QR. Next is PQ and RS. Now the second question is opposite vertices. मैंने आपको कल साइड वर्टिसेस सब बताई थी. द नेक्स्ट इज द ऑपोजिट vertices. VERTICES. Opposite vertices. Opposite vertices. Vertices are the points where the two lines meet. जहां पे दो लाइन जैसे कि PQ और SP जहां पे मिलती हैं. So these are the vertices. The point at which the two lines meet, they are known as the vertices of the triangle. Okay. So now you have to write down the opposite vertices of the given rectangle. Okay, so opposite मतलब एक दूसरे के बिल्कुल opposite. So that is P is opposite to R. That is PR, P comma R, and और कौन से opposite? That is Q and S. Q, comma S. So these are the two opposite vertices in the given figure. The first is the P and R. ये दोनों एक दूसरे के opposites हैं. Second is Q and S or S and Q. You can write it as. But just make sure you make a comma between P and R and Q and S. इन दोनों के बीच में आपको एक एक comma mention करना है. Okay? So these are the opposite vertices. Next. The third one is diagonals. Now you have to write the name of the diagonals. So आपको दो diagonals के name बताने हैं. So I'll just erase it. Now you have to mention the name of the diagonals as well. So the diagonals of the given figure is diagonals. DIAGONALS. So diagonals कौन कौन से होंगे? Diagonals means the lines, okay, the line that is drawn from the two opposite vertices of a rectangle or of a quadrilateral. चाहे वो rectangle हो चाहे वो square हो, एक line जो दो opposite vertices को आपस में join करते हैं. Line that joins the two opposite vertices of a quadrilateral, whether it's a rectangle or whether it's a square, it's a diagonal. So इसमें diagonals कौन से हुए? That is SQ and PR. Two diagonals कौन कौन से हैं? SQ, ये जो line है, this is the diagonal, and this line PR, that is also a diagonal. So diagonal is SQ and PR. So these are the diagonals of the given figure. So these are the diagonals of the given figure. Okay. I hope now you understood the question, that how you are going to do the sums that is given in your book. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, you can just pause it here and write it down. Okay. Now let's move to question number 7. So now we will move to question number 7. Okay, question number is 7 now. Okay. In the figure, PQRS is a quadrilateral in which PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to PS. What type of quadrilateral is it? Join PQ and SQ, measure them. Are they equal? So देखिए बेटा, आपको यहाँ पे again in the question number 7 a figure is given. Okay, so जिसमें कि their figure is given, that is a quadrilateral. Okay, that is P, Q, R and S. A figure is given, that is P, Q, R and S. So the name of this quadrilateral is PQRS, in which जिसमें कि PQ is equal to QR, जिसमें कि PQ is equal to QR, PQ is equal to QR, QR is equal to RS and RS is equal to SP. So that means PQ इसके इक्वल है ये और ये, मतलब that means all these sides are equal to each other, क्योंकि पी क्यू इसके इक्वल है, ये इसके इक्वल है और ये इसके इक्वल है. सो दैट मीन्स ऑल दीज फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल. ये चारों की चारों साइड्स क्या है? इक्वल. सो ऑल दीज फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल. ओके, सो इन विच पी क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू क्यू आर, क्यू आर एस इज इक्वल टू एस पी या पी एस. So all the four sides of this given figure or the given quadrilateral is equal. What type of quadrilateral is it? ये किस type का quadrilateral है? So it is when all the four sides of a given quadrilateral is equal, so it is a square. जब चारों साइड किसी भी given quadrilateral की चारों sides equal होती है तो वो क्या होता है? That is a square. So all the four sides of the given quadrilateral is equal, so it is a square. So it is a square. So the answer of the first question is, that is, it is, okay, now you will write it properly, as all the sides of this given quadrilateral is equal, so it is a square. As all the sides of as all the sides of given quadrilateral, all the sides of given quadrilateral are equal, so it is a square. तो क्या है ये? It is a square. अच्छा, अगर क्वेश्चन में अकेला आप स्क्वायर लिखते हो तो दैट विल बी करेक्ट ऑल्सो, बट आई हैव रिटन द कंप्लीट सेंटेंस सो दैट आपके दिमाग में रहे कि क्यों ये स्क्वायर कहा है हमने. एज ऑल द साइड्स ऑफ द गिवन क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर इक्वल, सो इट इज अ स्क्वायर. तो ये क्या है? एक स्क्वायर है. ओके, सो इसकी चारों साइड्स आपस में इक्वल है तो इसको आप क्या कहेंगे? इट इज अ स्क्वायर एज वेल. सो इट इज अ स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन दैट इज बीइंग पुट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ quadrilateral that we have done that it is a square. Join PR and SQ. Join PR, join. अब हमें PR, join PR and SQ. We have to join PR and SQ. Okay, अब हमें PR और SQ को join करना है. So that we have joined. Okay, so we have joined PR and SQ. Now the question is, measure them, are they equal? So what is this? ये PR and SQ, when we have drawn a line from the point P to R and Q to S, so what is this? This is a diagonal. So अगर when a diagonal is a line, diagonal means when a line that is drawn from the one vertex to the other opposite vertex. ठीक है, जब हम टू ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स को आपस में ज्वाइन करते हैं एक लाइन के थ्रू, सो दैट इज अ डायगोनल. सो व्हेन वी ज्वाइन टू ऑपोजिट वर्टिसेस और वर्टेक्स ऑफ अ गिवन फिगर विद अ लाइन, सो दैट इज अ डायगोनल. ओके, नाउ यू व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू मेजर इट. अब आपको इसको PR एंड SQ यू हैव टू मेजर इट. आपको इसको मेजर करना है एंड यू हैव टू चेक वेदर आर दे इक्वल. क्या वो इक्वल है? यस, डेफिनेटली दे विल बी इक्वल. जो एक ही फिगर के अंदर, एक ही स्क्वायर के अंदर जब डायगोनल्स बनाए जाते हैं, सो व्हेन द डायगोनल्स आर ड्रॉन इन अ स्क्वायर एंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू मेजर इट, सो दे बोथ विल बी इक्वल. सो डेफिनेटली दे बोथ विल बी इक्वल. जब आप दो डायगोनल्स को मेजर करोगे जो एक ही फिगर के अंदर है, डेफिनेटली दैट विल बी equal. So the question is, you just measure it. Okay, and the question is, are they equal? Yes, they are equal. So answer of the second one will be yes, they are equal. So क्योंकि एक ही फिगर में बनाए गए एक ही स्क्वायर में बनाए के दो डायगोनल हमेशा इक्वल ही होंगे. ओके, नाउ द आंसर इज यस, दे आर equal. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 7. You can just pause it here and write it down. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody have a good day.